In the highly competitive smartphone market that emerged a few years ago, the Asus ROG Phone gained popularity as the go-to gaming phone. The most recent addition to the company's ROG Phone lineup is the ROG Phone 7, which is available in two separate configurations, the regular and Ultimate editions. Comparing the ROG Phone 7 to its predecessor, the ROG Phone 6, the phone has witnessed a number of modifications. Now, if you're working with a partner to make the transition from the previous model to the newest version, or if you're simply curious about the specific changes that have been made, you must check out this comparison video. Because in this video, we will compare the Asus ROG Phone 7 and ROG Phone 6 in terms of their specifications, features, and performance. Starting with the design, while the ROG Phone 6 series and ROG Phone 7 models may appear similar in design, there have been some subtle change to the rear patterns and finish. However, their size and weight remain considerable, with noticeable top and bottom bezels that effectively conceal the impressive stereo front-firing speakers. Moreover, both series share the same construction materials such as Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the front, and an aluminum frame and glass on the back. They are also similarly resistant to splashes up to IPX4 levels. However, the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate Edition sets itself apart from its predecessor, the ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, with an Aero-active portal. This unique feature allows for an Aero-active cooler fan or accessory to be connected, and delivers chilled air directly into the phone's internal components through a small door on the side of the device. To keep pace with the fastest action, both the ROG Phone 7 and Phone 6 use a 165Hz Samsung AMOLED display, with a 720Hz sampling rate, and a Delta E less than 1 color accuracy for superb visuals. Just like the ROG Phone 6 series, the ROG Phone 7 has RGB rear lighting systems. The standard model has a glowing RGB light effect, while the Ultimate version had an AMOLED display that displayed animated graphics instead. Similarly, the ROG Phone 7 and ROG Phone 7 Ultimate also differ in the lighting systems, with the Ultimate version featuring a mini display, while the regular version does not. Let's talk about the performance. Gamers prioritize performance when it comes to the gaming devices, and the ROG Phone 7 has undergone upgrades in this aspect. Asus has replaced the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and has also incorporated faster and more efficient RAM and storage. The ROG Phone 7 now features LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, which provides approximately 20 to 30% better performance than its predecessor in terms of faster loading speeds. Furthermore, the write speeds on storage have doubled compared to the ROG Phone 6. Asus has made significant enhancements to the cooling system of the latest phone model to prevent overheating and maintain optimal performance, even during prolonged usage. The size of the graphite covering the motherboard has been increased, while the vapor chamber has been redesigned to improve flow rates. Moreover, the thermal paste has been made more efficient, and as a result of these improvements, the phone can easily handle intensive gaming sessions without any risk of overheating. Like the design, very little has changed on the camera front, which actually does not matter for a gaming phone. Both phones share identical primary and ultra-wide cameras, featuring a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 main sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Additionally, both phones offer a macro lens with an upgraded resolution of 8 megapixels from the previous 5 megapixels. As for the battery life, these two gaming phones from Asus feature the same battery design. Both phones come with two separate 3000 mAh batteries, making a total capacity of 6000 mAh. Both devices support fast charging to the 65-watt charger provided, and are compatible with the latest part delivery and quick charge standards. As for the price, the Asus ROG Phone 7 is expected to come with a similar price tag as the ROG Phone 6, which is $999. In short, choosing the ROG Phone 7 over the ROG Phone 6 Pro seems like a more logical decision due to various factors, particularly in terms of performance and thermals. The ROG Phone 7 comes equipped with a cooling portal and faster internals, allowing it to maintain its peak performance for longer periods of time. Additionally, it boosts the longer software support lifespan, ensuring that it will remain a viable phone for longer. The upgrades to its display and speaker system also contribute to an enhanced overall experience. All in all, the ROG Phone 7 offers a significant upgrade over its predecessor, making it a more attractive option for those seeking high-performance mobile devices. We appreciate you watching our video. If you find this video to be useful, please like, comment, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see similar videos in your feed.